In this video, we're going to explore a crucial decision many people face in their lives. Should you rent or buy a home? This decision can have a significant impact on your finances and lifestyle, so it's essential to make an informed choice. So in this session, we'll break down the pros and cons of both options to help you make the best decision for your unique circumstances. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. Number 1. Calculate your budget. Assessing your financial situation is the foundational step in determining whether you should rent or buy a home. To begin, it's crucial to calculate your budget comprehensively. This entails a thorough evaluation of your current financial standing, considering factors such as your monthly income, expenses, and existing savings. By doing so, you gain a clear and realistic perspective of what you can genuinely afford when it comes to housing costs. For instance, if your monthly income amounts to $5,000 and your monthly expenses sum up to $3,000, this leaves you with a surplus of $2,000 that you can allocate towards housing expenses. This surplus can serve as a starting point for understanding your housing budget and making informed decisions about whether renting or buying aligns with your financial circumstances and goals. Number 2, consider down payments. When assessing your financial situation in the context of deciding whether to rent or buy a home, it's crucial to factor in the potential down payment if you opt for homeownership. The down payment is a one-time payment made when purchasing a house, typically expressed as a percentage of the home's total price. A higher down payment, such as 20 or more of the home's purchase price, can have several advantages. Firstly, it often leads to better mortgage terms, including lower interest rates, which can significantly reduce your monthly mortgage payments. Step 2, understand renting. There are two main advantages of renting a home. Number 1, flexibility. Flexibility is one of the key advantages of renting a home. When you choose to rent, you are not tied down to a long-term commitment in the same way that homeownership often requires. Instead, you sign a lease for a specific duration, which could be 6 months, a year, or even month to month, depending on the terms you negotiate with your landlord. This flexibility can be highly advantageous, especially if your life is marked by frequent changes. Whether it's a job opportunity in a different city, a desire to experience different neighborhoods, or just the unpredictability of life events, renting allows you to adapt quickly and move when your lease ends without the burden of selling a property. This can be particularly valuable for individuals or families who anticipate lifestyle shifts or career changes in the near future, as it provides the freedom to adjust your living situation accordingly without the complexities and costs associated with selling a home. Number 2, maintenance costs. One significant advantage of renting a home is that, in most cases, landlords bear the responsibility for maintenance and repairs, which can translate into substantial savings for tenants. This means that when your sink starts leaking, the roof needs fixing, or the heating system acts up, you won't have to worry about shelling out significant sums of money to address these issues. Your landlord will typically foot the bill. Renting may give financial relief from unplanned, unexpected, and often costly repairs, making it an appealing alternative for people who wish to escape the financial risks that might come with buying. Step 3, explore home ownership. Here also, there are two main advantages of having a home ownership. Number 1, building equity. When you decide to buy a home, you're essentially embarking on a journey of financial growth. Here's how it works. As you make monthly mortgage payments, a portion of that money goes towards paying down the principal balance of your loan. Over time, this steadily reduces your debt, and as your debt decreases, your ownership stake in the home, known as equity, increases. This is significant for several reasons. Firstly, it's a form of forced savings. You are consistently putting money into an appreciating asset. Secondly, as the housing market generally appreciates in the long term, the value of your home is likely to rise, further boosting your equity. This growing equity can be tapped into for various purposes, such as home improvements or as collateral for loans. Ultimately, building equity through homeownership can be a prudent financial move, offering both a sense of security and potential for long-term financial gain. Number 2, stability. Homeownership can bring a substantial sense of stability to your life. and it often fosters a profound sense of belonging within your community. When you own a home, you establish roots in a particular neighborhood or area, creating a lasting connection to the people, schools, and local businesses around you. This stability can be especially beneficial for families, as it can provide a consistent environment for children to grow and thrive. Moreover, owning a home typically means you are less susceptible to rent increases and the whims of landlords, giving you a more predictable living situation. This stability can provide a profound sense of security and the freedom to personalize your space, making it truly feel like home. Step 4. Compare costs. Number 1. Monthly expenses. In the crucial step of comparing costs, it's essential to carefully assess the financial aspects of both renting and buying a home. Firstly, when considering monthly expenses, you should compare the cost of renting, typically represented by your monthly rent payment, with the potential monthly expenses of homeownership. For homeownership, this entails accounting for not just the mortgage payment, but also property taxes and insurance, which can significantly affect your budget. Additionally, remember to factor in utility bills and maintenance costs for both renting and owning. These often overlooked expenses, such as water, electricity, and general upkeep, can vary widely between the two options and should be thoroughly evaluated. To make an informed decision, it's essential to calculate and compare the total monthly costs for each scenario, including all these elements to understand the full financial implications of your choice. Number 2. Opportunity costs. Opportunity cost refers to the potential benefits or returns you might miss out on by allocating your funds in a particular way. In the context of homeownership, this means considering whether the money you would use for a down payment on a house could be put to more profitable use elsewhere. For instance, instead of tying up a substantial portion of your savings in a property, could those funds be invested in stocks, bonds, or other opportunities that may offer a higher return on investment over time? So, before deciding to buy a home, weigh the opportunity cost against the potential benefits of alternative investments to ensure you're making a financially sound decision that aligns with your long-term goals. Step 5. Assess your long-term goals. You can categorize this into 2 points. Number 1. Future plans. When it comes to the pivotal decision of whether to rent or buy a home, it's imperative to delve into your long-term goals. Firstly, ask yourself about your future plans. Are you prepared to commit to a specific location for several years, or do you foresee frequent relocations in your future? This consideration is crucial because buying a home typically involves a more extended commitment than renting. If you envision settling down in one place, homeownership might align with your vision. On the other hand, if your career or personal circumstances are likely to lead to frequent moves, renting provides the flexibility to adapt without the burden of selling a property. Your long-term goals should be a guiding force in making this decision, ensuring it harmonizes with the trajectory you envision for your life. Number 2. Financial goals. When assessing your long-term goals, it's crucial to consider how homeownership aligns with your financial aspirations. Owning a home can be a significant financial commitment, as it involves not only the down payment and monthly mortgage payments, but also ongoing expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Ask yourself whether these financial obligations are in line with your broader financial goals. Consider how home ownership might impact your ability to save, invest, or achieve other financial milestones, such as saving for retirement or paying off other debts. It's essential to be comfortable with the potential trade-offs between home ownership and other financial priorities. While owning a home can be a valuable investment, it's essential to ensure that it complements your overall financial strategy and doesn't create unnecessary financial stress. Take the time to weigh these factors carefully before making your decision. Remember that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What's right for one person may not be the best choice for another. Take your time, do your research, and seek advice from financial professionals if needed. That's all in this video, and if you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.